up guys, it's Ava. Welcome back to my vlog channel. Today I'm heading to Brent's house and honestly I've had such a horrible morning and I'm just gonna be honest with you guys because there's no point in lying. I just want to freaking scream right now. Like basically I've been jet lagged ever since I got back from Australia and I've been going to bed at like 3 a.m. every night, which is so not like me. Waking up at like noon, being so tired. And today I woke up and I was supposed to go to Brent's house and I was supposed to film and we had all these like plans for today. I just had so much to do this morning and like I wanted to cancel, so I just told him, can I come over tomorrow? But he's busy tomorrow and he lives 2 hours away, so I'm literally about to drive 2 hours to Brent's house. But anyway, that's not really why I'm stressed. I'm stressed because my hair was braided up this morning. My mom braided my hair because I wanted to give my hair a break and wear wigs for a while. But wigs are giving me mad anxiety, okay? Like no wigs are looking good on my head. The lace is too freaking dark for my skin tone, so then I have to bleach the lace, but then it doesn't work and it looks fake and it gives me anxiety. Like I just I don't really had been craving my curly hair back. So it's now 3:26, supposed to be leaving to Brent's house right now and driving for literally 2 hours. Anyway, I'm sorry for venting. I just feel like I needed to get that out and vent to someone. Anyway, I did my makeup. Today's just one of those days where you feel ugly, you know? Nothing looks good. My makeup, I felt like my makeup was gross. I'm breaking out. My hair looks terrible. I don't feel my best, but yeah, that's my life today. But, you know, I think it's important to talk about when you're not feeling your best, you know, because I feel like sometimes people just want to talk about when they feel good and when they look hot, and it's important to know that everyone has those days where they feel like poop. Let me show you my OOTD. Okay, I'm wearing this dress from REMI. It's wrinkled. I'm wearing these dirty boots. You can't really tell that they're dirty. I wanted to go buy Doc Martens and I didn't have enough time. Yeah, today's a mess. Let's go to Brent's.
Plates to hold this in place, and it's not as easily reversible. However,
so here I am, I pull up to Brent's house and I'm like, you know what? I should vlog me like going up to Brent. But then I'm like, you know what? No, let's enjoy our actual moment of seeing each other. I walk up without my vlog camera. Brent is vlogging.
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Why are you vlogging?
But now that you're vlogging, I have to vlog.
Ah, I like your color correction better.
It's nice lighting.
Why is your hair green?
It makes the skin look super nice. Oh, my hair's just green.
Mine looks so saturated.
It's just like Vlogception.
Oh my god, wait,
Oh my gosh,
what?
Ben, look how,
Wait,
look
what?
how noticeable it is.
Vlogception.
Wait, what?
What?
What is on your neck?
What?
You're dead ass.
Stop, no.
Brent,
Ava,
what is on your neck?
Ava, stop,
Brent,
don't.
no, let me see this.
Stop, Ava, no, stop. Trust me, we don't want to hear the story.
No, let me see it.
Are you okay with it?
What? Okay, so we just finished filming and Brent, your feet smelled so bad that whole time. They stunk.
What are you
They
talking
smelled
about?
so bad and I literally had to sit there in Brent's feet.
No, they didn't.
Yes, they did. Mason, smell Brent's feet.
My feet don't smell bad.
Tell the truth,
Smell
okay?
like feet.
There's nothing wrong with them.
Oh God, come on. It's because you guys
No,
are
I think
boys.
it's something else.
No, my feet don't smell. They smell like normal sock feet.
No, you have to actually smell them. Like they're actually.
Tell the truth. Tell the truth.
Okay, that's.
Just smell your own.
You guys are, yeah, smell mine. They smell like a new shoe.
Maybe the art shoes.
They're not. Look at them. They're like 4 years old. Brent, you know what? You can't even smell my shoe because you're just gonna say that it smells normal like yours.
Oh!
Shut up.
Oh!
Really?
Oh
No,
my god.
smell it.
Strong leather
Literally, it
smell.
smells like.
Oh my gosh.
You guys are so.
Oh my gosh, Ava.
They
would agree with us.
Oh wait, that's so cute.
God,
This is couple goals of the year.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Brent,
Why is Brent saying that?
Brent, Ava's right there.
yeah, Brent, that could be us, but you're playing.
Come on, Ava, let's go work on our pumpkin together.
You're so cute, guys.
I'm carrying this video on my shoulder. I'm helping everyone.
I am single-handedly carrying this video.
My back's starting to hurt because
I
this video's
love-
on it.
So I'm currently leaving Brent's house. It is 1:56 in the morning. Another night that I'm going to bed, probably at 3 a.m. So that's that. Welcome back. It is a new day, guys. I'm with my sister. The world is burning. Woke up this morning, went on the news. No, I didn't go on the news. I don't
Went on
I went on Twitter.
AKA Twitter.
We have a thing in California called Santa Ana Wins. I feel like I should preface it with that. Because that is like, that's the, like, you know?
What?
In California, we have something called Santa Ana Winds. Basically what it means is like tunnel of mountains, and they're
Why are
like,
you explaining it so weird.
it's a tunnel of mountains.
so confusing.
That's what they described it in school.
No,
it's the
no,
mountains
no,
and it makes a tunnel of wind.
Who cares? All you have to say is the California winds get all crazy about this time of the year. They start flaring up, and
they
then
start
the grasses
fires.
start flaring up, and
And
the
they
grasses start the fire.
So I wanted to go to the pumpkin patch today to take like film pictures because I don't plan on taking any like spooky fall pictures.
Spooky fall. First of all, California doesn't even look like fall until like December, so there's not gonna be any fall leaves coming around.
Yeah,
for
so
months.
you have to go to pumpkin patches if you want to feel like fall. Anyway, we wanted to go to the pumpkin patch today, but we didn't know if the pumpkin patch was going to be on fire. Like dead ass. We're in the Starbucks drive-thru line, and then we're going to go to this pumpkin patch, and hopefully it is clear skies because in where I live, you guys can't see, but it's not cute.
The air quality, disgusting.
It's bad. There's like ashes falling from the sky. Hopefully all the fires will stop soon. Anyway, the point of this whole story time was we're waiting in the car for Starbucks to go to the pumpkin patch, and Maya's gonna show me a picture of a moth that's going to trigger me. Please, I'm about to eat.
Oh yeah.
Do I really not want to see this?
You, like,
Wait,
literally
show the
don't.
camera first.
You like literally don't want to see it. Like it's actually like so bad. Like there are these moths like where I live, and it's like once in a blue moon that you ever see a moth this big because it was literally like that big.
We saw a moth like that big in Mammoth though.
Yeah,
remember?
in like camps. We usually see them at camp, but
in
like,
the forest.
but like sometimes they come around. You know what I mean? Which I don't know how. Somehow it got into my house basically, and it was like late at night, and my room was the only one that like had light. So obviously the moth was trying to go towards light because all the lights were off in the house.
Oh no!
Yes, that's how it tried to get to my room. So it tried to go like under the door.
Ow!
Yes! Okay, so Bear starts yelling and like growling, and I'm like, oh, he probably thinks there's something outside. And he's like, "Rrr, rrr, rrr." And I'm like, Bear, like, why are you growling? Open the door a little, and I see the moth like on the floor, like, and I was like, ah! And I closed the door, and I was like, oh my gosh, she was literally growling at a giant moth, and it's like, if your dog can see it, you know it's big. So this is the moth, or how about we just like cut it in? Do you know what I mean?
You cut it in. I'm not cutting in that.
Look how big it is. That's why I like stood back so you could see like just how big it is.
Holy. If that thing spread its wings out, it would be like.
No, I know. Why does it look like a bumblebee too?
Yeah,
like,
look.
why is
Oh,
it
don't zoom in. That
have
wasn't
to
as
zoom.
bad as I thought. I thought
No,
you were gonna
it's
get a detailed like.
I'm not going all the way close up to it.
Am I going crazy or is it getting worse?
It's getting worse.
It's
yeah.
getting worse.
It's getting worse.
Probably not.
Water's cold. Thank you.
Drive safe.
You too. Thanks. Bye. Drive safe. You too. Drive safe. You too. Okay, let's go to the pumpkin patch. Oh.
Shake 'em and bake 'em, no need to baste 'em. Shake 'em and bake 'em, you know how to taste 'em. Early in the morning.
Oh my god. The chickens are singing about how to bake a chicken. We're all kind of tired.
I'm like dead. Are you
They look so tired. Look at the stem. It's like such a little perfect Halloween. We should watch Halloween movies tonight.
I just watched Coraline the other day. It's so cute.
We're talking about like murder movies.
Oh,
Maya.
oh.
Oh my god, look at this one. Look at the twist. Look at the twist.
What?
That's so unique.
Wait, you have to get that.
It's kind of ugly though on the other side.
But the twist, that's like really cool.
who's coming to the house is gonna appreciate that pumpkin? Who?
Riley.
You think I'm gonna come home every night and be like, wow, that twist
Yes.
really helps me sleep
More
at
than like a
night.
perfect pumpkin, you're gonna be like, wow, that twist.
I guess that's true. Oh my god, look at this like forgotten pumpkin stem.
Aww.
The murder victim remnants. You know, you're right. Can we find
Small.
another one with a twist?
Wait,
Tiny
why?
one?
It's not even that big.
I don't know,
It's
it's
gotta
just-
be that one.
No, I don't like it. I like this one. Thick and strong.
Can she get a picture with you when you're done?
Oh yeah.
Take your time.
Doesn't this one look like thick and strong? And I like the dark.
No, that's like, you can find that at like Walmart.
You're right, let's take this picture.
Oh.
There, good girl. Stay.
Stay, Trisket.
Stay.
Trisket.
Good girl. Oh, beautiful. Thank you so much. Okay, so we've gotten 3 pumpkins. I think they're all strong. Oh, this one has a broken stem. It's got a broken stem.
They all
Maya.
got a broken stem. This is broken. This is just uneven. It adds character.
I don't want character. I want
Get the
perfection.
twisty one. Get the twisty one.
You get the twisty
look at
one.
It looks so cute.
It's
like,
ugly,
so
Maya.
Unique. It's so unique. I'm bringing it over here.
Fine, get the twisty.
You're gonna look at it every day and you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I appreciate that twist. This thing probably worked so hard for so many months just growing its little twisty stem, and you're sitting over here saying it's ugly.
It's not ugly, it's just a little ugly on the sides. Look at that side, it's got a scar. It's got a freaking C-section.
That's character. That one kind of looks like it's molding. Well.
Fine, we'll get it, we'll take it home, we'll name it. What should
We
we
can
name
paint it. Wait, let's paint it.
What should we name it? Wallace.
Wallace.
Herbert.
Herbert. Herbert reminds me of like Club Penguin. Wasn't the like polar bear's name Herbert?
I think this is a Wallace.
No, Herbert.
It needs like a sad old man name.
Wallace. Someone's gonna be like, my dad's name is Wallace.
Sorry to all the Wallaces. Fine, we'll get Wallace and we'll put back this one. Or which one should we put back?
I feel like,
This one. This one.
yeah.
Bye. We'll find a nice life somewhere else. All right, Wallace, you're coming home with
You
us.
could have just called him Twisty.
Twisty Wallace Herbert Gutowski.
Yes. Jesus, I'm tripping over pumpkins over here.
It's cute. Look, it's like perfectly circled.
Almost like too perfect, you know? Like, was this painted? Oh, it's kind of ugly.
No, it's cute. From like the one side, it's only just still one side. That's the one.
Yes.
Okay, we've done it. Oh, that's a cute area. We should have taken pictures.
Oh, look at that.
Oh god, the pumpkin's sliding. I'm getting a blister.
Well, your camera's dying, so.
Well, good thing that we're done for the day. Just kidding, we're still not done taking pictures. What?
How are your boots working out?
They are giving me actual blisters. I can feel on this foot.
E-girl problems.